Okay, when we have a recessionary gap, the fiscal policy tool, we want to lower people's taxes, and that's going to lead to consumption increasing because they got more money in their pockets, and that is going to make aggregate demand go up because on Sig X, we're targeting the consumption or the government spending. And if one of those is going up, I know aggregate demand is going to go up. So if we have more government spending, aggregate demand goes up. We look at our graph over here. We're going to shift aggregate demand to the right. And where it crosses with the original short-run aggregate supply, we're going to see that prices go up, GDP goes up, and we know GDP is associated to unemployment, and that's going to decrease because to make gross domestic product, you have to be at work producing things. So over here on our results, I'm going to see GDP is going to go up. That's a good thing. Unemployment is going to go down. Unfortunately, price level goes up, which is also inflation. So did we get our goal of unemployment decreasing? Yes, we did. That's the whole point right there with that expansionary. Now, in the inflationary gap, we're in short-run equilibrium located to the right of full employment. That means we've overproduced too much GDP, we've cut down too many trees, made too much product, demanded so much supply that it makes prices go up. So when we are in the inflationary gap, we want to raise taxes, and that's going to lead to consumption decreasing, and therefore aggregate demand is going to decrease. Government spending, we want to reduce that because that's going to make aggregate demand decrease as well, because if we're not spending money out in the product market or the factor market, then that money will slow down in the circular flow model. I know you missed that term, circular flow. So if GDP is decreasing, that's going to make unemployment go up, but our goal is to make price level and inflation decrease. So anytime we have that inflationary gap, making inflation decrease is the goal, and therefore our policy, we're going to graph by shifting to the left. So right now we are in the box to the left. And then we're going to drop from P to P1, and our GDP is going to reduce from short-run equilibrium with an inflationary gap back to long-run equilibrium, where everyone's in a happy, healthy economy with low inflation.